your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been a little bit behind and you guys are waiting for the actual person to be announced for the winner for the big giveaway, the big end of the year giveaway. So if you guys are new to the channel, I'm doing a big giveaway regarding a whole bunch of art supplies that I cleaned out my whole studio. And yeah, so one lucky winner is gonna get like this big box full of art supplies. But the reason why I'm doing this now instead of January, it's because I wanted to extend it a little bit more for other people to submit stuff. But not that many people submitted, so hey, better for the people that submit. Bigger chance of winning if there's less people, right? But I tried. Other than that, we're going to be doing the unboxing for Artsnacks of December. If you guys don't know what Artsnacks is, it's basically this right here. Artsnacks is a company who gives out big 4 to 5 original size art supplies and you test them out. And the cool thing about this is they actually give you a little menu regarding what is in there and how much the retail price is. So this is good. So we're going to be unboxing the month of December of last year because I've been behind, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. The first item, so the first item is one of the biggest items. It's called Crink K75 paint marker and it retails for $12. Paint marker retails for $12. I have a couple of Crink, not my favorite marker, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right here. So I don't have it. Unfortunately, when I looked at it, it was already, like, it looks like it was opened and it was leaking. So, like, look at it. It's not good. Look at it. It's leaking already. So I don't know if any of you received something like this in the mail. But I hate that because you could be wearing something nice and you're like, oh, look. And it goes everywhere. I hate that. I'm not gonna bring that marker back because it's just a total mess. It keeps leaking. So I did some swatches before I put it away, and here you go. So it's a really, really light blue, which I do not have that color in Crink form. It's really, really pretty, I would have to say. Like I said, this is the marker that I really don't go towards a lot. Probably gonna add some of them on my giveaway box because I don't really use them. So I'm gonna give that marker away. Lucky winner is gonna be announced at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Okay, so let me read about this marker really quick. So this marker here is quartered in Brooklyn, New York. Crink makes creative tools for creative thinkers. The K75 paint marker features a 7mm chisel tip and is filled with permanent alcohol-based paint. The ultra smooth opaque paint maintains its vibrant colors on the variety of lights and dark surfaces. To use, shake well until thoroughly mixed. Remove the cap and press the nib down several times until saturated. So as you can see, mine was already like that. So kind of sucks because it was leaking, so I don't know how much ink it actually has in it now, but I'm gonna give that piece away. The next one I'm actually really excited about. I have a few of these. I am a fan. So the next one is Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pens Black Set, and it's a set of 4. So this one retails for $13.25. So this is the highest in the box of December. So this is what it looks like, and it's actually the staff favorite. So it comes in a box with 4 of them in here, and it shows you like the tips and stuff like that, which I love about Faber because it shows you what kind of tip you can actually do with the markers. They're like mini too. Look, it's not that big. So these are cute. You can actually put in your bag and travel with them without taking space. So let's see what they say, and then I'm going to do a little swatch for you. It says here, this is a staff's favorite. Experiences the unique combination of modern, easy-to-use pen, traditional India ink with Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen. India ink is pigmented, very light, fast. It can last over 25 years. You know what? That is a very, very true because I actually have a bottle full of India ink that I have sealed away, and it's been there forever. And I use that one every time I want to refill any ink tubes that I have when I do my ink drawings. Let's see, it's also waterproof, makes it popular choice among artists everywhere. This set has all your drawing needs covered with 4 different nib styles: B for brush, SB soft brush, SC soft calligraphy, and 1 and 5 bullet. All right, so let me open this. Wow, very nice. Ooh, and the packaging is like super nice too. So let's go with B first for brush. So anyway, this is what it looks like. I keep putting it so close. I keep forgetting that the light is closer to me because I changed the way like my studio looks. So this is it right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh, it's upside down. But this is what it looks like. It has the nib right here, like what size. So this is B. And it is in brush. The next one is SB soft brush, and this is the nib for that one. So it's much thinner than the regular brush. SC, so this is soft calligraphy. So it has like a small, like a chisel. I don't know if you guys see it, but it has like a small little chisel on it, so you can do like calligraphy up. And then the last one is 1.5, which is like this. I'm actually gonna keep these guys because I don't have these. I have other ones, but let me do a little swatch for you. Here are the swatches, guys. I actually really like these. The only thing I do not like about them is the pigmentation. I like my markers to be super, super, super dark, and I don't think these are dark. Maybe I'm just used to ink markers, not ink markers, I mean paint markers, that they're just so opaque that you get like a really, really dark black. And I feel like these are just, when they're on paper, I feel like they get diluted and they have like gray tone, not a pure black. But here are the swatches, guys. So the first one is B. So I noticed between B, the tip, they're both like B and a BS are both brushes, but I noticed with B it's more of a thicker brush, like it doesn't bend. As of for the BS, it's very flimsy, so like the nib would just bend back and forth, and it's like you can get those like really cool streaks, and you can do like bamboo, you can do like definitely certain things that look oriental in the art world. Now for the smooth calligraphy, you can do like calligraphy lettering. I suck at that. I used to do them a long time ago because I had a book. And the 1.5 is the really thinnest one. So I like the fact that it has a variety of different things here. When you're out traveling, if you bring that in your travel kit, definitely something I would definitely recommend for beginners to bring with you. Alright, so the next one is called Tombow Fadansuk Colors and Brush Pen. It retails for $3.49. I think it's pronounced Fuden Osuk. It's spelled F-U-D-E-N-O-S-U-K-E. So Fuden Osuk, I think it is. If I am messing it up, I truly apologize. I know you guys always like, this is how you say it. Whatever. Just relax. Alright, so this one retails for $3.49. So this is actually a new product. So let me show you guys really quick. So I do not own any of this. Any of these kind of markers. It's very plain. And it actually shows you different techniques here on the packaging. Here you go. Let me go a little closer. So here it tells you a little bit about it. The name, which is right here. All right, so this is the pen in Tombow. The tip, oh my god, it's actually, oh, it's pink. This is so cute. So let's read about this. It's a new product. All right, so the wait is finally over. The much loved Tombow Faden Osuk hard tip brush pen now comes in a variety of vibrant colors. A wonderful tool for both hard lettering and illustration. This water-based pen features a fair brush nib that allows for an easy transition from thick to thin lines. So let's do the swatch. So here's the swatch right here. I did like a little script looking, and I actually did like a really cool gradient from dark to light. So this is all one pen, guys. So it does truly work. They state that it goes from thick to thin. It depends on how light pressure you put it to really dark. From really heavy pressure to light. So I think it's not bad. Unfortunately, I think my pen is a little bit dry because it kind of like came out a little bit dry in the beginning. All right, so the next one is the cheapest one in the box. It's called the General Drafting Pencil, and it retails for 81 cents. So it states here, we love a sturdy, well-rounded pencil made by the family-owned General Pencil Company in New Jersey. New Jersey, the drafting pencil, which is pronounced drafting. I was actually going to say drowning because it's spelled on the pencil D-R-A-U-H-T-I-N-G, but it says here is pronounced as drafting. The pencil can be used for pretty much everything. It has a thick core and it's made with a genuine incense cedar wood, which ensures smooth sharpening and performance. The soft graphite delivers beautiful dark and light gradations on your bright surface. So let's give it a little swatch. I feel like it's just a regular pencil, but you know, sometimes they state that, you know, these pencils are miracles. So this is what the pencil looks like. Right here, casing and the packaging, and you see the graphite here. So here's just a little demonstration of what the gradient. They state that it's really nice. It's actually really nice, very smooth. I do agree with them on that, and I think if you've mastered the ability to use pencils and shading, I think you can do this with any other pencil. So I'm actually gonna add that to my giveaway. So that is it for the month of December. We're finally done with this 2018's Artsnacks. I'm hungry. So we are done. So now we're actually gonna go pick the winner. I already picked them. Okay, so let's get to announcing the winner. All right, so before I announce the winner, I'm gonna show you what this box looks like. This thing is heavy. Not really heavy, but I mean, like, so it's a whole bunch of stuff here. I have this whole color pencil, more color pencils. I actually have these cool little dry brush stencil paints, little paint thingies here, more markers, this cool looking marker, a whole bunch of stuff here, guys. And if you didn't participate because you guys were too lazy to go to your Instagram, that is not my problem. You missed out. Let's see what other stuff here. Something fell. And then I have like this cool little case here to add your markers that I give you. I'm adding the crank in there as well. What else? This cool little thing here that has colored pencils inside. Hey! And guess what? You guys the winner gets a copy of my book. So you can use all these cool art supplies. I know. Am I not cool? Let's see, what other thing over here? This too. Oh, snap. Oh, look at this. So much more stuff here to go through, but I'm not gonna go through it. And this is gonna go to a lucky winner. Okay, all right, so the lucky winner for the end of the year of 2018 giveaway is no other than N Jaguar. So it's N-J-A-G-U-A-R. You posted my collaboration with Lexi Bella. Here you go. He posted it right there. And he states here, hashtag fave Zuki, my favorite drawing by Zuki, because it's one of the drawings that gave me the desire to redraw, and when I'm out of inspiration, I look at one of these videos. So thank you. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much, and congratulations. Inbox me on my Instagram. And give me your address so I can send this cool package to you. Okay, guys, you guys are amazing. Keep following me, and I'm gonna be posting another video later on in the week. I'm coming back. I'm coming back slowly but surely. If you guys do not follow me, you guys all want to see a belly picture. I am 6 months from last week. This is going to be my 6 month and a week. Every Thursday, I gain a week. Yeah. So if you guys want to look into that and stuff like that on how am I doing physically, head over to my Instagram. I do post pictures all the time. And yeah, that's it. This is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.